Hi, this is Live Like a Lamb Pokemon. We're gonna open for you today 2x Power Keepers, 5 EX Crystal Guardians, and 4 Holon Phantoms. So I guess we'll start off with the Holon Phantoms. Well, they open nicely, that means I'm gonna get a good one. Okay, I don't know the trick.
Yeah, you do.
No, because the trick changes. Say hello, Lem.
Hold on.
Ooh. Anorith. What is that? Numo. Meowth. Pinch. Oh, these are nice. Almanite. Persian. Seadra. The reverse holo is. Oh.
I like it.
Reverse holo energy, and the rare is. Oh yeah! Oh shit! A Pidgeot. Holo Delta species Thunder. So good start so far. We were starting off with the Holon Phantoms. Oh man, see? Didn't open it nicely. Electrike, Pichu, Oddish, Numo, Pinch, Rainbow Energy. So awesome. Donphan. The reverse holo is wow, a Water Energy, and the rare is Cradily. These are nice. So we have 2 holos so far. Two energies. Yeah, and two energies. Aeron. Pikachu. Mysterious Fossil. Laleep, Mankey, Wishcash, and Chimico. It's weird because these have one less card. The reverse holo is an Aeron.
Why does that look like a holo?
Because it's this set, the EX series set. And the rare is Torkoal. Last Holon Phantoms pack. Should we make a new video or should we just keep going? Opened it nicely, that means well.
It says forever bond.
This is gonna be amazing. Pray for an EX.
Not praying.
Phanpy, Psyduck, Meowth, Surskit, Horsey, Manectric, Vibrava. The reverse holo is a Rayquaza.
That's nice.
Even though it's not. And the rare is a Flygon. So actually really good pulls. We're gonna move on to EX Power Keepers. No, we'll move on to Crystal Guardian.
Yeah.
I forgot the name of this Pokemon.
What?
On the front of the EX Power Keepers. Oh, almost got it wrong. Cacnea, Squirtle, Torchic, Jigglypuff, Seedot, Pokénav, Gulpin. Where the hell do I put these? Sorry. Oh shit. The reverse holo is a Dusclops, and it's a rare because the gold rating. And the rare is a Fearow Delta species, which is an electric. Oh! Shit. Can you fix them, please?
How?
Like, just put them back in the thing. Or, like, sort them. Because... Torchic, Cacnea, Metatite, Krabby, Squirtle, Chelio's Network, Nuzleaf, and back to Torchic. Our reverse holo is a Marshtomp, and our rare is a Blastoise. That's really nice. We are going to open some booster boxes in time for Christmas. So if
An hour after.
no, in time, we will open about one maybe before Christmas, and then after New Year's or after Christmas we'll open a lot more. Trico, Spearow, Whismur, Mudkip, Shuppet, Satian Crystal. Our reverse holo is a Tauros, which is a rare. And our rare is Swampert EX. So really good pulls. That is really nice. Maybe we'll get a shiny if there are any in that set, which would be amazing. That's just like a level X. What better? Torchic, Duskull, Seedot, Numel, Squirtle, Marshtomp, Combuskin. Our reverse holo is a Spearow, and a rare Dusclops, which we got in a reverse holo. Last pack of Crystal Guardians. I think we'll finish all of these in one video. Oops, don't want to do it wrong. It takes the suspense out of opening cards. Wingull, Potion, Trico, Spoink, Lotad, Memory Berry, Wartortle. Our reverse holo is Bill's Maintenance, and our rare, which is amazing, is look, a Swampert. So good pulls. We pulled an EX. Two last packs. This is gonna be good, guys. This is gonna be good.
Why would you open it like this?
I couldn't help it. Magnemite, Torchic, Spiel, Swablu, Trapinch, Anorith, Drake Stadium. Our reverse holo is a Sydney Stadium. No, how would you focus? And our rare is a Zangoose. Last pack. Can you save them? Save them, Lem. Just say one.
Okay, one.
We need crowd participation, so every time I hit a new card, you say the word. You say them. We're gonna have crowd participation. It's like Dora.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Like swipe or no swiping.
No.
Okay.
No. I'll choose
Ball toy. Seedot. Magnemite.
Torchic. And you do that one.
Spiel. Professor Bitch. Professor Birch. Sharpedo. And back to ball toy. Our reverse holo is ooh, so sexy. Reverse holo energy. I mean reverse, yeah. And our rare. Whoa.
Same one.
Zangoose. Well, thanks for watching anyway. This is Live Like a Lem Pokemon. If you'd like to, subscribe, comment, or like the video. Thanks.